Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, where today we're diving into the fascinating and often misunderstood world of Forex trading. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to refine your skills, this is the perfect place to start understanding the untold truths of Forex trading. So grab a cup of coffee, settle in, and let's get started. Forex trading can seem like a fast track to financial freedom, but it's essential to recognize that it's far more complex than just making money. Most people don't tell you this, but successful trading is about understanding the market and managing your risks wisely. With over $6 trillion traded every day in a 24/5 environment, the Forex market's vastness offers both opportunities and significant risks if not managed correctly. Let's clear up a common myth. Forex trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Many newcomers believe they can double their money overnight, but the reality is different. The secret to success is in discipline, continuous learning, and developing a solid strategy. Remember, this isn't just a destination you reach, it's a rewarding journey. Treat it like a business, set realistic goals, and work on improving your strategies consistently. Now, an unspoken truth in your trading journey is the importance of choosing the right broker. A reputable and regulated broker can be your greatest ally, providing you with a user-friendly platform, competitive fees, and robust educational resources. Never underestimate the value of a trustworthy broker, as they help protect you from scams and unfair practices. Education and strategy are your best friends in this arena. While many focus intensely on technical analysis, don't ignore market fundamentals and geopolitical events. Developing a comprehensive trading plan that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance is crucial. Whether you choose day trading or prefer a long-term approach, strategy and continuous learning will guide you to success. And remember, before risking real money, practice patience and hone your skills using a demo account. It's risk-free and lets you familiarize yourself with the trading process without the stress of losing real money. Forex trading is indeed not a sprint. It's a marathon that requires you to adapt as the market evolves. Research and collaboration are key components for successful trading. Learn from seasoned traders, analyze their strategies, and adapt them to fit your plan. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to keep updated with insights and strategies designed to enhance your trading journey. As we wrap up, here's an essential reminder. Trading comes with inherent risks, and it's crucial to never invest money that you can't afford to lose. Approach trading with a clear head and always prioritize managing your risk. So, embark on this journey with an open mind and a thirst for knowledge. Forex trading can be rewarding both financially and intellectually, but it's the process and personal growth that truly make it worthwhile. Thank you for being part of this community, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading!